Hello, welcome to More Sound. Today we are reviewing the iHome docking station clock radio model iP45. This has a lot of interesting features, like a iPod docking station, which I unfortunately can't test, FM radio, and aux input. It also has an alarm clock and oh yeah, it also supports remote control, but we don't have that. Let's do a demonstration. Here's the audio quality of the radio. If you're wondering what this B button does, it boosts the audio quality. We have EQ. Oh yeah, and we have radio presets. I only have one stored in there right now. Yeah, this is my own station. Then we got aux in now. It's not as powerful as radio. Seems to be the case with a lot of these devices. You can just display brightness. We're not demoing the alarm clock due to time constraints. That will be the end of our review and demo of the iHome alarm clock radio with iPod dock and internal battery. Did I forget to mention that this has an internal battery? And yeah, model is iP45. Thank you for watching, and thank you for shopping at More Sound. I hope you will continue to shop at More Sound for years to come. Goodbye.